Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. Now, this is just going to be a layout chair. I know I usually do process videos, but I was lakeside when I did this layout. I want to make sure it's all in there. When I did this layout, and I was also spending some time with some extended family while I was scrapbooking. So I thought the scrapbooking was plenty for them to deal with. And I didn't want them to have to sit there and try to figure out the tripod and all the craziness that I do on YouTube. So I thought I would just take you through it a little bit. So I did use a cardstock background on this. It's this really great butter yellow. It's just from a cardstock, textured cardstock paper pad that I picked up at Tuesday morning along the way. I used this piece. See, it has little shells on it. Isn't that cute and summery? I used that piece of pattern paper as well as this really great textured, it's somewhere between pink and orchid. This pattern paper that you have seen in my kit, if you watched the kit share, and I used it on this side as well. So I just had a strip of the yellow and two pieces of the textured looking paper there. Now the large element I have on my page is this mermaid tail, and I got that from the Creative Cuts Club that you can sign up for through Redefine Creative. And I went ahead, I had my Amy Tam watercolors with me, and I went ahead and just mixed some colors for the bottom of the tail as well as the top, trying to mix it to be the colors kind of that's in this collection right here. So that was fun, easy, and then I just went ahead and kind of went crazy splattering it with gold so that it's Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine, so that it had just a little bit more of a mermaidy kind of look. So from there, it was pretty easy. I was using 3 photos. This was just a lake day that my youngest daughter went on with her girlfriends, and I just... And it wasn't any big event or anything like that. They just went to Leland, Michigan and spent some time having fun on this boat. So once I had this giant mermaid tail on there. Oh, and this is 6x6 paper, by the way. I know I just jumped right back to that. Anyway, and 3 larger photos. I didn't have a whole lot of real estate left, so I just decorated. That is about it. So I put this chipboard piece here and here and here. Hello Sun ended up being my title. And it has a little holographic on it, so it's kind of playing some havoc with the camera. So I put the chipboard pieces on because I really wanted some chipboard on there. Then from there, I'm going to pick it up. I put in tags in 3 different places. There's a tag here, here, and here. And then I just started decorating. I have a little holographic there, a cute little camera here with some sunglasses. This cute girl here is wearing sunglasses. And I also was able to sneak in 3 places. I snuck in some wood veneer, which I have not been using enough of, so I was really excited to get that going. I've got this adorable little epoxy mermaid there who I loved. A little stitching with embroidery floss here. I used all 6 strands. On the tag, I use this really thick baker's twine here. It's black and white. And then I just finished it off for the most part with a couple stickers and these really great sequins. These were all in, I'm going to go like this so you can really see them. They were all in my kit, my July 2019 kit from Creative Cuts Club. Do you see how I have them sprinkled here and there? There's shells. There are clear sequins. That's one of the shells. There's opaque. I have them here as well, getting that holographic bit. So as you see, I mean, I got just about everything under the kitchen sink on here, as well as I had my journaling. It says, Last Girl's Adventure Before They All Go Off to College, Leland, Michigan, July 2019. And I also did put just a little tiny bit of stamping in. I have the word chill here. I believe that's a Heidi Swapp stamp. I believe it is. And the word yes was part of that stamp set as well. So I did get a lot in here. Oh, look at the mermaid tail is wrapped around this photo here. Kind of like the way that turned out. I got a lot on here, a lot going on, but I still think it's fun and summary and cohesive. And I was able to bash through a little bit of my mini kit Monday kit with my first layout. So that's it today, friends. Bye-bye now. Oh, one more thing. Down below are the links to my friends' pages. And I'll also try to remember to put the link to the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group. There's that. Yeah, I think that's what I want to share. Oh, if you want to like and subscribe, do that there. And right about there is the notification bell button if you want to be notified when another layout goes up. All right, that's really it. All right, bye, friends.